So guys, how to install the Lenovo ThinkBook 16 camera driver. So this is, you can see, this is open any browsers to type Google search box to like that, and first link to right click to new tab, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. Okay, if you know about your the serial number, you can enter the serial number, then hit enter, so automatically show your the model number. Okay, but you know very well about your serial number. So first method, if you can do scan now, so it automatically detect your required driver and then you can install it. And if you have to install the driver of manually, okay, one by one separate like that, just select the driver. After, go click on the camera and slow down, and you can see this is first the like that, second this camera driver and camera driver. Okay, you just click to download. You can see first there are too many showing here, so click to download. After downloading, it will show automatically here, you can see start it. Okay, one driver in the progress. After downloading, just click to setup. Now this is the installations process. Click to yes, then okay, then I accept the agreement, then next. So extract, do not extract, you install directly. Next, install. Now this is the installing the camera driver. You can see this camera driver. Now this is the camera driver installed successfully, and then click to OK and then finish it.